Welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at Usdjpy for this weekly analysis. So just to pay attention on what time frame we're looking at in this current chart here, we're looking at the daily, and I wanted to show you this because we had that important breakout this week. If you didn't know, basically we was either looking to push up from this zone here. We got a lot of pressure and momentum towards it, or we was either going to push down, and we actually did, but majority of our take profit would have been at our zone level here, but we actually closed on the daily as well, below the zone. So it's important to understand where the market is heading, and this is ultimately forming a lower lows now. So we can say that because we've closed lower here and we've had the support rejection from this zone. So now that we've closed below this zone in blue, we'll step it down to 4 hourly and we can make our bigger predictions, a bit more specific. So here I'm just going to get rid of all of the framework that we made from last week's analysis. You can go ahead and check out how well we did with your Usdjpy and all the other trades in a video called Profit Update for this week, so for the last week. So go ahead and check that out if you want to see how well we did. Now, what I'll be looking for this week, just going to pull out this tool. So one of two things can happen here. So we can see we could potentially see price come back up for a retest of our zone and then push to our monthly key level, or the second option is that we get a continuation of sell orders pushing through early in the week, which therefore would lead us to push below our monthly low at 106.238, and then eventually we would get a retest of this, and then we enter there and push lower to our next key level. So ultimately I'm very bearish on this, so I will be looking for short trades for Usdjpy for this week, and hopefully for the people that missed out this leg, I know we did, there's a chance to potentially catch the reversal if there is a reversal. So if for another scenario's sake, if it came back up and pushed back up, then that is a possible scenario, but otherwise we could catch on to the downtrend that we have, and we just head lower. So these are the two positions for our sell orders that we will be looking for, just as such, like this. The take profit zones are not drawn to scale, by the way. It's just when the trade is executed, stop loss and take profit zones will be marked accordingly. So that's what I'll be looking for Usdjpy for this week. Now I just want to quickly, before I end the video, just to show you my Twitter page. We post all of our updates on there, and you can obviously see where we're getting into our trades. So it's good for beginners as we project in real time, with a short bit of analysis, so it's not too heavy, so it's easy to understand. It's good for beginners as well. So if you're just starting out trading, go ahead and follow my Twitter, which is at KMTRADERS_. It's completely free, and hopefully you get a benefit out of it as well. And furthermore, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with everything. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you next week.